Rejection can feel painful at first, but through a Stoic mindset, it can become one of the strongest tools for personal growth. When someone ignores or rejects you, do not chase or react emotionally, because calm silence shows self-respect and inner strength. Instead of wasting energy on people who do not value you, focus on improving your own life, your skills, and your goals, because your worth does not depend on anyone's attention. Control your emotions, stay composed, and remember that rejection says more about the situation than about you. Remove such people from your thoughts, not with anger but with detachment, and fill your mind with learning, growth, and positive connections. Use rejection as motivation to demonstrate your value through actions, consistency, and discipline, not explanations. Sometimes the strongest response is cutting contact and moving forward quietly, because Stoicism teaches that peace, self-control, and progress are the best answers to rejection, turning every closed door into a path towards strength, confidence, and success. Silence is not just being quiet. It is a powerful way to protect your peace when you face rejection. Instead of chasing, explaining, or reacting emotionally, silence helps you step back, reset your mind, and remember that your worth does not depend on anyone's approval. This silence is not weak or passive. It is a clear boundary that says you respect yourself too much to beg or prove anything. Use this time to focus on your goals, your growth, and your life, because real strength comes from staying centered. Proving people wrong is not about impressing them. It is about proving to yourself what you're capable of by improving your skills, staying consistent, and letting your actions speak quietly. At the same time, do not isolate yourself in pain. Go out, enjoy life. Try new activities, reconnect with friends, and create moments of joy, because happiness is a strong response to rejection. As you grow, stay active socially, build healthy connections, and strengthen your presence in the world, because when you live fully and confidently, rejection loses its power and becomes just another step toward a stronger, calmer, and more fulfilled version of you. When you feel ignored or invisible, Stoicism teaches that this moment is not a defeat, but an opportunity to grow stronger. Instead of chasing attention or validation, focus on improving yourself through fitness, learning new skills, hobbies, or career growth, because these actions build real confidence and resilience. Share your journey only to connect with people who truly relate to you, not to seek applause, and invest your time in volunteering, networking, and building meaningful relationships that add value to your life and others. If someone ignores you, act calmly and redirect your energy toward people and places where you're respected. Staying polite and professional when interaction is unavoidable, but never forcing closeness. Walking away from indifference is not weakness. It is self-respect, because your energy belongs where it is valued. Choosing silence is also not about punishment or ego. It is about protecting your peace, reflecting on your values, and strengthening emotional control. This kind of silence helps you grow inwardly, stay dignified, and avoid pointless drama. Most importantly, never beg for attention, because asking to be noticed lowers your self-worth, while quiet self-respect raises it. When you focus on your growth, your purpose, and your inner calm, rejection loses its power, and you naturally move toward better people, healthier connections, and a stronger, more confident version of yourself. The Stoic way when someone ignores you is not to beg for attention, but to stand firm in your own self-worth and independence. When people are indifferent, it is not a signal to try harder or become louder. It is a chance to turn inward and remind yourself of your value. Stoicism teaches that your self-esteem should not depend on how others treat you, because your worth is not something to be negotiated. Focus on your passions, your goals, and the life you're building, not to impress anyone, but to fully understand what you bring to the world. Spend time doing things that fulfill you. Connect with people who respect and appreciate you, and create a life you can feel proud of. Be kind in your actions, polite in your words, but emotionally distant enough to protect your inner peace. Kindness does not mean emotional attachment. It means acting with grace while keeping your balance. You can smile, greet, and show respect without expecting anything in return. This emotional distance is not coldness. It is strength, because it keeps other people's behavior from controlling your feelings. Do not reveal your struggles just to gain sympathy or attention. Acknowledge your emotions privately, but move forward with calm and confidence. Continue your life with the same energy and determination, showing through your actions that you are stable and grounded. This is not about pretending you are unaffected, but about managing your emotions wisely and maintaining dignity. Every moment of rejection becomes a lesson in resilience, teaching you to rely on yourself instead of external validation. When you stop chasing attention and start investing in your growth, confidence naturally follows. In this way, rejection loses its power, and you turn indifference into an opportunity to strengthen your character, deepen your self-respect, and live with quiet strength, balance, and stoic resilience.